Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. One thing before I get right into this video, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. It would definitely help me out a lot. YouTube is changing a lot of their rules and regulations that are definitely going to affect smaller YouTubers like myself. So yeah, before you leave, subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get right into this video. Currently, I'm dealing with a lot of discoloration, uneven skin tone, and the acne scarring. So that is my issue right now, not necessarily acne itself. My skin right now, it's definitely a lot clearer than it used to be. So what exactly do you need to do? What do you need to keep in mind when you're trying to clear out your skin? I'm going to share with you guys my personal tips and tricks, what I did, what I followed, what I kept in mind when trying to clear my skin. First one is to eat clean. Your body will externally project your eating habits. It's okay to cheat sometimes, eat what you want to eat, but don't be doing that every single day expecting for your skin to clear out. You need to be making sure that you're intaking food that is good for you, good for your skin, good for your body. Balance out your meals. Eat your fruits, eat your vegetables. If you're eating clean, your skin is going to start clearing itself out. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. Number 2, stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water. It's something that we get told all the time, and it's like drinking water is going to be the solution to clearing out your skin and like eliminating acne from your life. It's not going to be the only thing you need to do. Like, you have to do a lot of other things, but it definitely takes a big part in clearing out your skin. If you're into soda and fruity drinks and stuff like that, like I said, balance out your meals. Balance out what you're putting into your body. If you're gonna drink a soda at a restaurant or at home, make sure you have a glass of water next to it. Balance it out. Balance the good and the bad. It isn't that hard to drink a lot of water, and it's only gonna benefit you in the long run. And you'll see a big difference. When I drink enough water and I'm making sure that I'm staying hydrated throughout the day, my skin is a lot more glowy and it just looks more radiant and alive. Like, I don't look dead. If you're staying hydrated, your skin is going to project that. So drink water. The third thing is doing your research and trying to find products that are going to work for you and your skin type. Click on this video to try to clear out your skin. You're dealing with some sort of acne, so you're gonna have to do your research in trying to find products that work for acne prone skin. If you are trying to clear out your skin or trying to find products that are gonna work for you in making your acne go away, make sure that it's not products that are going to clog up your pores or just make you break out even more. Read reviews, investigate in a product, in a company. What are the ingredients? As soon as I look at a product, I look at the ingredients. Obviously, most of them I can't even read or understand what the heck they mean, but one thing is definitely like a no for me if I see it on the ingredients list is fragrance. You gotta stay away from fragrance if you're acne prone. So keep that in mind when you're looking for products. This one is very crucial. You need to do a lot of research. I did so much research in trying to find products that work for acne prone skin, and not only acne prone skin, but oily skin, combination skin, dry skin. Products that were going to work for me no matter how my skin was doing. The products that I have now and what I use are products that I can use all year round, and I know that they're not going to affect the way my skin is. Like, stick to what works for you, which is number 4. Once you find the products that work for you and your skin and you notice a difference by using them, say you find a moisturizer that is working wonders for your skin, don't go out and start looking for another moisturizer. Stick to what works for you. If there's one single thing that I live by and swear on when it comes down to skincare, it is consistency. Like, ask anybody in my household, what is something that I cannot live without? I do not travel without. I do not go a day or night without. That is my skincare. I take a lot of pride and a lot of time and effort into my skin, into keeping my skin clear, and consistency is number 1 on my list. You have to remain consistent. Make sure you're washing your face day and night, especially if you're someone that wears makeup on a daily basis. Don't be lazy and go to sleep with your makeup on. Don't be lazy and not wash your face day and night. Make sure you're at least washing your face every single day. Okay, a wipe or two might help a night like you're just no energy at all, but don't make that a habit. Don't just like keep your wipes by your nightstand and just leave it to the wipes to do all the work. After you remove your makeup with your makeup remover, wash your face and continue on with your skincare routine. Put on whatever you need to put on for your acne and go on about your night and your day. Like, do what you gotta do. That's just what it's going to take to clear out your skin. With any and all of the acne regimens that I've tried or the products that I've tried, I have remained patient. I gave a lot of the things that I've tried weeks and months to make sure that I was giving the product a fair shot, and once I noticed, okay, I've given this product like 3 months, I'm not seeing any results, I'm only getting worse, that's when I would cut a product. But I wouldn't just give up within a day or two and be like, no, my skin didn't clear out overnight and I'm gonna quit. Like, that's not what it is. You need to give it weeks, and my limit was like 2 to 3 months. If I didn't see results by then I would go on to the next product and try something else. But I did always remain consistent and patient with everything that I tried until I finally found what I'm using now and what has been working for me. Thank the Lord. Stressing over your acne is not going to benefit you in any sort of way. The more you stress, the more acne you're gonna come out with. So breathe, be patient, test things out, and finally, when you find a product that works for you, stick to it. I have some redness due to the fact that I have been out in natural sunlight for a while. I get really red out in the sun and just daylight in general. I have some acne marks, the redness due to the fact that it was like heating up in there. A bunch of my freckles and some acne scarring going on. A few bumps on my forehead, but besides that, that is basically how my skin is doing. I wanted to show you guys how my skin looks in natural sunlight. No makeup, no nothing. This is the reality of what it is. And yeah, just keep in mind what I mentioned in this video so that you guys can clear out your skin like I did. So yeah, that is pretty much all that I had to mention. Those are my 6 tips and tricks. I'm not going to go into what products are a part of my skincare routine day and night. If you would like to see a skincare routine, I can definitely film that for you guys. Be sure to let me know so that I know that it's something that you would like to see. Sending you a lot of patience your way on this journey to clearing out your skin and on the battle of dealing with acne, because I know it can be hard and difficult and very frustrating. But I'm sending you my patience, I'm sending you my strength, and I'm sending you a lot of hope so that your skin clears out and that you keep everything that I mentioned in this video in mind throughout the process. So that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!